know. Hey, everybody. I'm super excited to introduce my friend Dee Christopher. And probably some of you know her anyways because you are a quilt teacher extraordinaire and you kind of have lived in different places since we met, right?
I have. I definitely have.
And I'd like to say that her thing is, although I don't want to pigeonhole her because it's not true, is bringing beginners into the fold, which that is a passion of mine. But currently, Dee is teaching at a community college, and like the quilt that's behind you, this is what you're doing right now, right?
Yes, we've been working on this quilt in the class, and it's been a lot of fun. It's a color study, as well as learning some different techniques. So
So we aren't sitting here saying, well, too bad for you guys. You can't take part in this. Well, you can because Dee is coming on, and on Saturday, she's going to have the Saturday sampler with Dee Christopher, right?
yes,
Or Divine Quilts. That's your handle.
that's my handle, but I think this is just going to be Divine Set or Dee's Saturday Sampler is what we're calling it.
Beautiful. And what we're going to do is actually this Saturday, the 11th, November 11th, starting at 10 o'clock Pacific time. We're going to stick to that 10 o'clock time frame. You're going to take us through a myriad of important subject matters to you, but then in January, we'll actually start on a project, right?
That is correct. I'm very excited about this first part because it's some of the things that I work with my students all the time on.
Like, what's this Saturday?
This Saturday is going to be some introduction of what we're doing, and then I'm going to go into all my favorite tools that I work with and that seem to work well for most of my beginning students and help them get off to a good start.
I just love that. Now, Dee
I,
and I have known each other at least 20 years.
well, it's probably been, I figured it out, it's probably been about 24, 25 years.
Like yesterday. And we met over this book, okay? We will get into this at another time, but her kids helped me write this book. So, and I love, you have such a following. You have taught in Livermore, you have taught in Ann Arbor, and now you're down in Southern California. So I know a lot of people are looking at this going, it's Dee! It's Dee!
That would be nice. I hope so.
Yes. So this Saturday at 10 o'clock, you will be here talking about your favorite things.
That is correct. All
Right.
my favorite tools, all my favorite ideas and thoughts, and we'll get started. And we've got, I think, 7 lessons before I start my project in January on some of the things that I think is great for everybody to know. And you can do most anything that you want to after we get through these 7 weeks.
So just so you guys know, from behind the scenes, Dee and I have been on a technical technical challenging journey here. So this one seems to be working. Yay. Thank you so much for saying yes. It just thank you so much for saying yes because the value you bring to the quilting community is unbelievable. And everyone that knows you knows that.
Well, Alex, I was very humbled that you even asked.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
perfect.
See you soon.
See you then.
Bye bye.
Bye.